Hello, this is my review for the Pantene Pro V Nourish and Repair. So it comes in this presentation of 12 ounces and protects and repairs your hair while you wash it. I use it twice a week. It's great after sweating. It's great when your hair is messy, when it has a lot of product on it. I enjoy washing my hair with this product. I use it around three times per week. And this is how it looks. It's like a white cream shampoo. All you have to do is wet it and apply twice, rinse it off. You don't need to put extra conditioner. It doesn't need it. I don't need to put extra conditioner after because it's shampoo and conditioner. I like it that it doesn't have any dyes or sulfates, and it has vitamin B5, which is really great for my hair. Thank you for watching my video.